Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Erina Nugrahheni, and today I will present about computer-assisted language learning or CALL. Okay, let's start. First, background. Computer-assisted language learning or CALL. It is interesting how computer-assisted language learning or CALL has attracted many Arab students to learn English as a foreign language in higher education institutions. This has a significant impact on their academic life, especially in the teaching process in the classroom. In response to students' calls for help, computer technology has been introduced into the classroom. In the classroom, computer technology is believed to be able to effectively improve students' learning and solve certain educational problems. Second, theory. Inbound language teaching involves the use of computer technology to help display, strengthen, and evaluate learning materials that focus on interactive elements. Number one, computer-assisted language learning or CALL involves the use of information and communication technology or ICT in the study and teaching of a second or foreign language such as research and curriculum development. Number two, the use of information and communication technology or ICT is also involved in computer-assisted language learning or CALL. To learn a foreign or second language by conducting research and course development. Number three, Werthauer and Haley, 1998, states that CALL is effective for improving language skills for learners and teachers. Number four, another study by Step-Graney 2002 showed that there has recently been an increase in the integration of CALL towards different levels of education. Number five, the material of CALL learning system focus this fast-paced learning for students, no longer for teachers. Number six, in today's globalist world, English as a second language and foreign language classrooms are used more than ever in the computer field, involving our areas of language learning, including writing, reading, writing, and even handwriting, as well as in TAFL or TASL video and speech synthesis technology used in the classroom. Third method, using an e-learning laboratory with internet access and equipped with the latest software and hardware. Now it has been introduced in all higher education institutions in Saudi Arabia. By using this, students, several dictionaries and teaching and testing software are available for the new join. This laboratory makes it possible to teachers use computers to share teaching materials with students and send and receive files monitored. Fourth, finding and discussion. Saudi Arabian students show little interest in learning English language. This is evident in their performance in English class because most of them are talking about during class. English teachers not only need to teach English, but they can also improve students' English proficiency. Interest in language, perhaps this is the most challenging part for English teachers Saudi Arabia. All tests have resulted in low English proficiency among study students. Finding and discussion. Finding number one, as most Saudi English learners don't think English is relevant to their immediate English. They need them to only try to learn enough knowledge to pass the English courses they require so that they can advance to the next grade. Number two, the lack of desire to learn English may be attributable to Saudi Arabian students who worry that English is not easy or impossible to learn, and worried about English being often carried by junior high school students, relate to the higher educational environments. Discussion number one. The administration and superior have decided to introduce CALL as a teaching tool to make English teaching as a foreign language more effective and fun. Number two, many students go to language schools or try to improve their English proficiency by watching English movies to improve their English communication skills. Now, many Saudi students choose to continue their higher education in the West. This change was brought about by introducing CALL into the Saudi Arabian educational system. Fifth, conclusion. With the introduction and successful implementation of CALL, as well as change in their environments, the Saudis' attitudes towards English are also changing. In study by Farid 2030, most Saudis show a very positive attitude toward English. Few and regard English as an important factor in the country's growth, threat, and future. The people of Saudi Arabia are now aware of the urgent need to communicate around the world, and this recognition makes it necessary to use a common standard language. English has a wide range of intelligibility and coverage, so the language can be implemented. Therefore, in a world connected by information technology and satellite TV, English teaching has become more and more important. Arab learners are usually arrogant, and now they are greatly motivated and attracted to learn English. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. I'm sorry if there is a lack of pronunciation that I've made. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.